Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to crochet a granny square. You see, this is a colorful granny square. First let me tell you what a granny square is. A granny square is usually made from a circle and gradually we convert the circle into a square. And what are the uses of granny squares? Granny squares can be used as table mats, or you can expand the square as much as you want and convert this into a baby blanket. Depends on the yarn that you have. Or you can use this granny square to make purses, table mats, or any other household items. It all depends on your creativity. So making a granny square is very simple. You can take multiple colors of yarn. So today I will show you how to make one. So to make a granny square, we need wool of different colors. About 3 to 5 colors would be ideal. And I have taken a needle. This is my crochet needle and a small scissors. So let's get started. To make a granny square, first you choose a wool of a lighter color so that the square that we are making, the inner part of it looks bright. So I have chosen this one and I take this wool and I make a knot. I get this on my hook. Starting from here, let's make 16 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16 stitches is ready, and now what we do is we join the first and the last stitch together and we make them into one. So here we get a circle of 16 stitches. Now take the thread onto the needle and go down and make a simple one stitch. One straight line and make one stitch again, and we continue to do this until we have 16 lines again. So when you make the 16 lines, friends, you can see that the lines which are here, this is what we are making right now. We have made the ankle and now we are making this expansion. Friends, we have come to the end of the second line. You can see that 2 stitches are done. So our second line is complete. Once we complete 16 such lines, again we join them to complete the circle and we are done with this color. So you carefully join and here it is. We have completed the second line of the circle and we will shift to another color now. double check once again and count that you must get 16 such patterns. Now I'm shifting the color again and I'm going back to the blue which I had used previously. So I make a knot. I make a knot and I continue the same pattern in the next line, but here I'm going to convert this circle into a square now. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I've completed the circle and shifted the color. Now after every 3 such stitches, I'm going to choose the 4th stitch and convert that into a square. So I've done 1. So we have completed 3 stitches here, and for the 4th one we are going to convert this into a square. So here we make 2 such stitches. So we do it twice so that we get the shape of a square. So 1, 2, 3, you make a chain, and from the same position we make another 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. So you see here 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. So this gives the shape of a square to the circle as we proceed. I have made one. You can check here, the same pattern continues. 1, 2, 3 and a double stitch, 1, 2, 3 and a double stitch, 1, 2, 3 and a double stitch. So this gives the edges of the square. So friends, we have come to the end of this circle. We have come to the end of this line. So here once again, let me tell you, it is 1, 2, 3 and a double stitch, 1, 2, 3, double stitch, 1, 2, 3, double stitch. So this double stitch converts the circle into a square. So we come to the end of it, and once again we join and make this complete, and then we shift to another color. Come to the last line of the granny square. You can see that I have taken the same color with which I had started. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and a double stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a double stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a double stitch. So once we come to the end of this line, we will close this and we can proceed to the next line with a different color, or we can also close this if you wish and make similar squares So fellow friends, I hope you have liked making this granny square. I hope you have enjoyed this. This is a very colorful and creative pattern, and if you have liked this, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the icon